Ay, may cutscene. Well, folks, once again sa saloon, we're gathered a special occasion. A rare visit from a very dear friend. Sino? My world famous giant omelette. Zesty bell pepper, juicy tomato, rich mushroom, and tangy cheese. All enrobed in a blanket of the rich, fluffy egg digging folks. Sabi man yan. Parang gusto ko tuloy mag-egg bukas. Really? What do you think? The mushrooms are a tad chewer than last year. Is that good? Ay, lad.
Last day naman
Wow!
daw.
It's a great goose. It tastes even better because it's on the house.
Ano matanggal
These
yung bed?
eggs are so rich and yellow, Marnie. Are these from your place?
Hindi yata natatanggal,
No,
nare-replace lang.
you can take a stint of it at the Valentine farm. Ah, thank
Ayaw.
you.
Ayun,
Valentine eggs. Yay! Kinakain nila yung eggs ko. Wait, ba't kayo tumatawa?
Sana all.
Ayaw kayo. Ayaw